So, hi guys, this is now the solving for apparent dip. Doon lang ko isolve kapoy. So, again, when we look at the problems, um, apparent dip. So, we will use problem number 7. Given the strike and dip, find the apparent dip angle in a vertical section. Trending south 70 east. You may use orthographic projection. So now, on solving, syempre, first, we will be writing our given. So our strike is north 50 east. Our dip angle is 40 southeast. Our apparent dip direction is south 70 east. Yan. So, based on the based on the given, it is south 70 east because find the apparent dip of an angle in a vertical section trending south 70 east. So the keyword here is trending. So the trend over your apparent dip direction is, or the trend of your apparent dip is this one. So that basically tells that that is our apparent dip direction. So now, in solving first, Cartesian plane, make sure na straight. Fuck. Yeah. Now, first, still the same. When apparent tip direction, first we will plot our strike first. Always extend your strike. So 50, north 50 east. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait lang. Connect and extend. Yeah. That is our strike. Medyo hiwi. Sagdi. So that is 950 east. Now, next is our apparent dip direction. So, before nato i-plot ang atong apparent dip direction, let's think first. Since our dip direction is also given na, which is southeast, dapat ang atong apparent dip direction is going or almost at southeast. So, if, syempre, in this given, or in this problem rather, ang dip angle na to and dip direction is southeast. So, naa diri ang atong true dip. Dapat ang atong apparent dip also is somewhere dire lang. Dili siya maglampas sa strike ha, dapat dire lang. So, since pag mag-plot man gud tag apparent dip direction, pwede man gud siya ma-extend. So, in this case, south 70 east. So, measure 70 dire. Pwede mo siya ma-extend dire, extend dire. So, maglibog ka. So, para makabalo ka kung unsa na direction padulong ang imong apparent dip direction for solving, dapat mag-agad ka sa given na true dip direction, which is, in this case, southeast. So, we will measure 70 from south padulong east. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. 6, 7. So, na-plot na to, no? Next is our what's the next? True dip direction. So, always remember our true dip is perpendicular to our strike. But using the right hand rule, since ang given na to is southeast, so dapat pana siya, right hand rule. Ano? So, atong true dip, dili padulong diri ha, padulong diri. Kaya atong given, the true dip direction is southeast. So, pana. So, we will measure 90 degrees from this strike. Ayan. Abot ka na ng cog markings para dili label. So, na-plot na to. Same kanina from our true dip direction. Wait. Before that, ibutang sa natong angle given for our true dip. So, atong angle is 40, di ba? So, from our true dip direction, yan fold na to siya padulong diri ang 40 degrees. Always remember, pag mag-unfold ka og angle or mag-measure kag angle from your true dip or apparent dip direction, dapat dili mag-meet ang imong true ug apparent dip angle. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hala, bakit ko nilagay ito? Sige lang. Dapat dire lang dahil. Ba't ko nilagay ito? Basta this is 40. 40 degrees. Dapat dire lang din. This is 40. Disregard na lang. So, this is 40. Now, since na-measure na nato, nabutan na nato ng values, always remember na mag-create tayo ng perpendicular line to your true dip direction na mag-connect sa ating apparent dip direction. So, we will measure 90 from true dip direction that will connect to our apparent dip direction. 90, 90. Yan. So, since ang wala natin is the apparent dip direction, I mean the apparent dip angle, wala tayong value, but we have a value here, we will connect the true dip direction to the unfolding of our true dip. So, diri. So, we will always measure this one. We will always measure perpendicularly to the dip direction that we'll use. So, this one, i-connect na to ni, since in this point, dire ka always mag-start na points pag ma-measure, okay? But, dapat perpendicular pod ani na line. So, 90 from this one. So, dapat mag-connect dire dire So, na-connect na to ni ang pag-unfold. So, now we will measure this. So, it is 2.9. 2.9 ba? 2.9, yeah. 2.9 cm. So, now, nakuha na natin, we will do the same in this area. So, we will also measure 2.9 from this apparent dip direction. But always, always, always remember that we will measure 2.9 centimeters or any na same here. Dapat perpendicular ani ha, perpendicular sa imuhang dip direction na gamiton. Mag-start ka diri na line. So what is the perpendicular of this one? May. Tapos ang imong starting line is kung saan nag-meet ang imong true dip direction and apparent dip direction. So, it is ganyan. So, 2.9, di ba? So, from here, 2.9 also. Right. Tama ba? 2.9? Yeah, 2.9. Ay, hindi. 2.4. Sorry. 2.4 pala. So, 2.4. Sabi ko laki eh. Hindi pala. 2.4 pala talaga. So, this is 2.4 centimeters. Now, connect it to your origin. So, after that, measure na nimo ang angle, ani. So, what is the angle of this one? Asa nag-stop? This one. 1, 2, 3, 37. At least 37. 37 degrees. So, para ma-verify, we will use trigonometric. Tangent alpha is equal to tangent theta is equal to tangent alpha sine beta. So, transpose tangent -1. Tangent, our alpha is a 40. Our beta is the difference of our strike to apparent direction. So, our apparent deep direction is 70. Our strike is 50. Sana yun? 50, where is 70? So, para makuha natin, we need the total. So, 90, tapos 70 to, no? 70 ba to? If this is 70, then ang maiiwan is 20. So, pag add natin to, this is 90, this is 20. So, that is the apparent deep direction na angle. So, 90 plus 20 is 110. 110 to. Kasi ma-minus natin sa ating strike, which is 50. Which will give us 60. So, okay, let me clarify lang ha. Para makuha natin ang difference ng ating strike and apparent tip direction for the beta, let's think this is the apparent tip direction ha. So, paano man natin makukuha ang value nito? So, if we think this is 90, right? This is 90 already. And this is unknown. But we know that this value right here, but this value right here is 70, di ba? Kasi we measured 70 dito. So we can say that this is 20. Kasi this is another 90. So 70 minus 20, 70 minus 90 will leaves us 20. So add natin, this is 90 plus this area, this angle, which is 20. So uh, our apparent deep direction na angle is 110. Then, since nandito lang ang ating strike, it's north 50 east, that gives us 50. So, 110 minus 50 is 60. So, that is our sign. Now, we'll plot the values. Tangent 40 is our angle. Sine 60. Answer is 36. Our answer here is 37. So, medyo close lang. These mistakes that we can do, we have on solving is just because of like inaccurate measurements. But it's still the same idea. Dapat mas careful lang and mas uh, tama ang pag-solve. So now, second problem na tayo for apparent dip. So what is our problem that we will use? I'll find it first. The second problem is number 9. Ay, 9. 9. Number 10. Wait. Mababasa niyo ba? 10. A fault plane strikes north 80 east and dips 40 southeast. What is the apparent dip in a cross-section oriented north 55 west? So our given for number 10 is our strike is north 80 east. Our dip angle is 40 degrees southeast. Our apparent dip direction is 9:55 west. So again, recap, strike is north 80 east, dip is 40 southeast, and apparent dip direction is north 55 west. So let's do this. Cartesian plane. Right? Medyo heavy. Don't mind. Yan. So first, the first thing that we will do is plot our strike. So north 80 east, 80, dito ang 80. So, extend natin ang strike. Yan. This is our strike. Now, we will plot apparent dip direction. So, north 55 west. Take note, take note that our dip is, the dip direction rather, is southeast. So, dapat, ang apparent dip direction po nato nasa may southeast or deridapit. So, paano natin to gagawin? Paano natin to gagawin? So, our north 55 west, i-extend natin pababa. First, ma-measure muna tayo ng 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito. This is north 55 west, right? So, from here, i-extend natin pababa. Kasi hindi pwede na ang ating apparent dip direction is nasa taas. Kasi ang true dip direction natin is southeast. So, this, i-disregard na natin to. So, like, ito na ang ating apparent dip direction. It's still the same lang naman. Extended version no, dito. Because our deep direction is southeast. Okay? So, we will not be using this, but use this instead. So now, what is the next step? We will plot our true dip direction. So, since our true dip direction is southeast, dapat mag-plot tayo ng 90 degrees dito. Okay? So this is our true dip direction. Yeah, true dip direction. I'll put this in apparent dip direction. So quick recap again. This is our strike. This is our true dip direction. It should be going southeast kasi ang given is southeast. Now, for the apparent dip direction, it should be extended here, not here. Dili na to gamiton ang north 55 west because it is going here and our true dip direction is going here. So, dapat extend natin and we will use the southeast instead. Okay? So, the next step is we will now put the 40 degrees for the true dip. So, we will measure 40 degrees papunta dito. Okay? Always remember, dapat dili pa close imong apparent dip angle o true dip angle. Palayo sila. Okay? So, we'll measure 40 degrees from this area or this dip direction, which is a true dip direction. 40 is 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. This is 40. Yan. Next, what we will do is create a perpendicular line to your true dip direction that we will connect to your apparent dip direction. So, create a perpendicular line na mag-connect sa mong apparent dip direction. Here, that's markers. Connect. Yan, nag-connect na. So, these are the points. So, from here, you will be connecting na your true dip direction and your angle from here. So, connect natin. Yan. After that, we will be now measuring this. This is 3.1. I think that's 3.1. 3.1. Now, this is 3.1 centimeters. Para ma-connect na to, we will now measure 3.1 centimeters perpendicular to apparent direction. So, measure sa tag 90 degrees para sure. Always remember that you will start your measurement to the point where your the parallel line of your strike connects to your apparent direction, which is this one. Create lang tag line. Yan. And measure tag 3.1 centimeters. Same here. Connect natin. Since this is 3.1, connect natin from the origin. Sorry. Connect natin from the origin. Yan. Now, para makuha na natin ang angle, we'll measure this angle, this one. Oh, straight up. 1, 2, 3, 35, 36. What's my answer here? Number 10. 35 ba? Saan ba? Yes, Check natin ulit. This is 3.1. This is 3.1. This should be 30. 30 ba? At least 30. 30 ba? Sobra 30 eh. Pero dapat 30 to. I think it's on the solving. Pero it's still the same naman. Kasi in my first solving, which is this one, my answer is 31. My answer is 31. I think I had mistakes, small mistakes on plotting, but it's still the same, 30. Now let's move on to the trigonometric. Tangent theta is tangent alpha, sine beta. Theta is tangent negative 1. Tangent is, our alpha is 40, which is our tulip angle, 40. Our beta is 45. Why? Because our strike is 80. Our apparent interaction is this one. So if this is 55,